Welcome to the assembly instructions for this GT Star Ride-On. The box of the Ride-On includes main body, steering wheel, cell, backrest, parental handle, handrest. Take the steering wheel, unscrew the nut, and insert 2 AA batteries. Join these 2 wires as shown. Now attach the steering wheel to the steering rod, ensuring it's secured by screwing the nut firmly. And attach the backrest in its designated position. Fit the handrest to the backrest, ensuring both sides are positioned at a 180-degree angle. Lock the handrest to the steering using the lock provided. Finally, attach the parental handle to the backrest by using the lock button on the parental handle. Your GT Star Rider is now ready for your little one to enjoy.